Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add border to image in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the Photopea and drag and drop your photo in Photopea to open the image. Next, we can go to the layers window and make sure that you select the image that we want to add the border. Then you can resize it. Control Alt T to resize it. You can resize it and rotate it, then press enter to apply the transformation. Then go back to layer window, double click on the layer window to open the layer style, and then we can find stroke here. Check the box to apply. Now we can see that the border is added. We can select the stroke and we can find the stroke option here. Now you can increase the stroke size and you can adjust the positioning, and you can change it to inside, you can change it to center, and you can change it to outside as well. Now go back to inside, and also you can change the opacity, and we can change the color. Pick the color box and we can press the red like this or yellow or whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. That's how to add border to image in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.